Meanwhile, in the Ludhiana District and Sessions Court blast case, a fresh breakthrough has come in the investigation. The Punjab police have identified the body found at the blast site. Police sources are stating that the body appears to be of dismissed police head constable Gagandeep Singh. Now, he was the one, you're looking at those pictures of him. This man was dismissed from police service in 2019. Now, the motive of the blast is still under probe, but sources have revealed to India Today TV that this alleged mastermind of the blast is Punjab's biggest gangster Harvinder Singh Rinda, associated with the Babbar Khalsa International Group in Pakistan. Forensic teams have collected samples already from the site. Initial probe for now is indicating that a high-grade explosive were possibly used in the Ludhiana District Sessions Court case. But probe agencies do believe that this Gagandeep Singh, the former cop, was the same person who had come to the court premises to detonate the bomb, and the blast then took place while he was activating it. Punjab's Director General of Police, Pressa, is expected at 12 p.m. in Chandigarh regarding the case, and we'll bring you all the latest on that. Kamaljit Sandhu is currently in Chandigarh and she'll be bringing us up to speed with it. This is very interesting. How is Kamal, the police stating, one, this has a former cop who turned rogue connection and a Babbar Khalsa Pakistan connection?
Well, we've seen earlier this in Devinder Singh in the JKP case, but here is a different case altogether because here an explosion did go off. What is also important is that though he has been identified with the help of his family, his relations were estranged with the wife. However, when they went in for a description, they did confirm that the body belonged to the cop. This is also something which is embarrassing for the Punjab police because not only was he booked under the NDPS Act, within those 2 years that he was in jail, he had formed nexus, is what is being suspected now. They're going through his call detail records, which is the CDR. They're also suspecting that he was not a lone wolf. In no way there has been a car which has been found nearby if he had driven it on his own, if he was acting alone. So they believe there's a module behind. The imprint is of Babbar Khalsa International, which is the BKI, and that is why the police is now looking at several leads. Now, we've also been told that the forensic examination has confirmed that there were up to 2 kgs of RDX which was used. That is what has really caused a lot of damage to that particular wall in the washroom next to the courtroom. That is a 9-inch wall which was destroyed. It came down, and we've been told the damage was much less to loss of lives because